Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today, as you can see, we have two bags in front of me and we're gonna open both of them, and inside we're gonna find two, or actually four, because they're gonna be 2 by 2 of the coolest square G-Shocks, coolest looking square G-Shocks. So without further ado, let's open package number 1. Okay, so here's package number 1. Let's rip to the bag and see what's inside. There's the box. Nice. It's a G-Shock. And if you're familiar with G-Shocks, you will know what it is. Let's move this away by the box itself. So these are two exactly same DW5600 HRGRZ. The HR is, if you're familiar with G-Shocks, one of the coolest looking squares ever, because it's an all black G-Shock with a red underside. And this Gorillaz edition is actually a special edition and a limited one where you get a link to a free download of the newest Gorillaz album. So let's open the box and see the watch inside. This is a special packaging. You get probably the download link and everything. I'll move this away. And let's get to the watch itself. I'm just gonna open the one because this other one is exactly the same. So and I can already see the red underside of the watch. And when the original DW5600 HR came out, I was completely in love with that watch. But since I dislike the negative G-Shocks, I never actually purchased one. Look at that underside of the strap. An actual case is made of red resin. And the front is actually pretty cool as well. Really does look cool. It's a negative, but surprising that this one actually looks very readable. A very, very cool watch. I'm liking it a lot. Now the reason why I got two of these is because the store where I get these watches, one of the stores that I get, had a crazy sale where they had these 30% off. Then they offered another discount code that gets another 20% off, so they're already half price. And then if you get two, you get 10% off of the cheapest one. Or in this case, since they cost the same, it's pretty much like getting 5% off both of these. So it's basically 55 to 60% off the retail price that was already pretty good in that store. And the reason why I got these, because I always wanted one of these, and now I got a crazy price, is because this is probably going to be one of the watches that I'm going to be giving away when I reach 30,000 subscribers. So you will be getting a pretty cool, one of the coolest looking squares, and it's a limited edition with the special packaging and everything. And what that means is that there's always potential of the value going up in the sky, depending on the market and on the desires of the collectors how much. But whenever you get a limited edition watch, I yet have to buy a watch that I lost money on when it was a limited edition, no matter how crazy limited edition was. Let's put it away and let's open the second package. So again, a pretty big bag, so I'm just gonna open the bag off camera. Let's get the box right here. Again, the same cardboard box. And again, two other G-Shocks. Again, exactly the same because they had the similar deal. 30% minus 20% minus 10% when you buy two. So naturally, I bought two. Exactly the same, so I'm just gonna put this box away and open this one only. And this one is also a square, but a DW5600 BB, which stands for Basic Black. So this is also one of the coolest looking squares out there because it's one of the stealthiest G-Shocks ever made. Everything on this watch is blacked out. From the screen to the crystal to the inscriptions. This is the ultimate stealth G-Shock. Look at it. And again, the screen really pops. So this is actually a pretty good negative screen. On this, everything is blacked out. So this truly is not just one of the stealthiest squares, but one of the stealthiest G-Shocks ever made. Now, I still haven't decided. I will be giving away the HR or maybe even this. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe both. Who knows? When I reach, like I said, 30,000 subscribers, which should be, well, pretty soon. Not soon, but we'll see in a couple of weeks or a month max. Well, that's it when it comes to this unboxing. I will be doing a review. The tutorial is unnecessary because I already covered the module 1545 and the 3229 that's inside these, since my DW5000 uses the same module. This is just a negative version. But I will be doing a review and maybe even a comparison of these two models. If you're into negative screen G-Shocks and you want something classically shaped like a square, I believe these two are currently the coolest looking of the bunch, with me personally preferring this, the HR. I just love this bicolor strap and the fact the actual case is made of red plastic or resin. It's really the cooler looking. Although I know many people on the forums prefer this one because of its clean look, and it is pretty stealthy and pretty cool looking. Well, that's it when it comes to this week's video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.